Welcome back to Sheer Topics, the channel where we dive into fascinating subjects. Today, we're exploring the captivating world of vintage typewriter collecting. Get ready to be transported to a time when words were typed on machines and creativity flowed through the clackety-clack of the keys. In this episode, we'll take you on a journey through the typewriter renaissance. We'll uncover the love affair collectors have with these magnificent machines, and the art of typewriter hunting. Collecting vintage typewriters is not just a hobby, it's a passion. These enthusiasts scour flea markets, antique shops, and online auctions in search of that elusive gem. They study the history, models, and manufacturers, developing a keen eye for the subtle differences between machines. When a collector finally finds the typewriter they've been searching for, it's a moment of pure joy. They meticulously examine the machine, ensuring it's in perfect condition. They clean, oil, and restore it to its former glory. And then comes the magical moment. The collector feels the keys under their fingers, hears the satisfying clackety-clack of the type bars, and witnesses the words appearing on the paper. It's a sensory experience that connects them to the past and celebrates the present. Vintage typewriters are not just functional machines, they are true works of art. From the sleek curves of the Art Deco models to the ornate decorations of the Victorian era, each machine has its own distinct style. Collectors appreciate the attention to detail, from the intricate typefaces to the delicate scrollwork. Collecting vintage typewriters is a nostalgic journey through time. These machines have played a crucial role in history, used to write important documents like the Declaration of Independence and the novels of literary giants like Hemingway and Faulkner. They were the tools of journalists, poets, and writers, shaping the world and preserving its stories. And that wraps up our exploration of vintage typewriter collecting. We hope you've enjoyed this journey into the past and the artistry behind these remarkable machines. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more captivating topics on Sheer Topics. Until next time.